Hi, today in front of me HUAWEI MatePad Pro, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first, let's open notification panel here, and if you want to add here some options or just remove some of them or just to change the position of the icons here, you should click here on this edit icon and click here edit swatches. Now here we can see this down section with invisible icons, and if you want to add them to your notification panel, you should hold the icon and after that just drag it to this up section. If you want to remove some options from here, just hold and drag them to the down by the same way, and to change the position of the icons just by the same way, hold and drag them here, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.